Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So, you want to know K-Flock's release date from jail, and it's the number one question his fans are asking. The simple, direct answer is that there is no release date. Right now, K-Flock, whose real name is Kevin Perez, does not have a set date for when he will be getting out because he hasn't been sentenced for his crimes yet. He's currently in the pretrial phase, which is a very different stage of the legal process. To understand what's happening, we have to look at his charges, which are extremely serious. First, he was arrested back in December 2021 on state charges, including murder in the first degree. This was for an incident outside a barbershop in Harlem where a man was shot and killed. K-Flock's legal team has argued it was self-defense, but the charge itself is one of the most severe you can face and carries a potential sentence of life in prison. But the situation got even more complicated. On top of the state murder charge, K-Flock and several other alleged members of his Sebside crew were hit with a massive federal RICO indictment. RICO stands for Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, and it's a powerful tool federal prosecutors use to target what they see as criminal enterprises. This federal case accuses him and his associates of a conspiracy involving murder, attempted murder, and assault with a dangerous weapon. When you're facing both state and federal charges, especially a RICO case, the legal battle becomes incredibly complex and drawn out. Federal cases often move very slowly, and he is currently being held without bail because he's considered a flight risk and a danger to the community. This means he will remain in custody until his trial concludes or until some kind of plea agreement is reached. The next steps involve his lawyers reviewing evidence, filing motions, and preparing for a potential trial. He could either take a plea deal, or he pleads guilty in exchange for a specific sentence, or he could take his chances and go to trial, or a jury would decide his fate. Given the severity of the charges, especially the murder and the federal racketeering conspiracy, he is facing decades, and potentially life, in prison if convicted. Any dates you see floating around on social media are just rumors unless they come directly from official court records or his legal team. The reality is, we are likely years away from knowing a definitive release date for K-Flock. His future depends entirely on the outcome of these two major court cases. Thanks for watching this breakdown of the situation. If you want to stay updated on this case and other news in the culture, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.